Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 45, Triangles, Section B, Tough. Let's start. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 kph. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 kph. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Sure, one is flying north, another is flying west. So we have to find this hypotenuse. Okay. So after 1.5 hours, speed is 1000 kph. This is 1200 kph. So after 1.5 hours, how much it will be? It will be 1500 A, and this B will be 1800. Right. So 1500, 1800. This is these are the two sides, and hypotenuse we have to find. So therefore, AB square equals to OA square plus OB square. 1500 square plus 1800 square, blah blah blah, you solve it. 15 square plus 18 square into 100 square, 0 zeros out. So 225 plus 324 and 1549 over here. 100 raised to 2, 549 into 100 raised to 2. Now 549 is what? 3 into 183, that is 3 into 3 into 61. Bring it to the lowest. So AB is what? 3 square root of 3 into 3 3, and this 100 square root is 100. So 300 root 61 kilometers. Now if in exam it is given in points and not in root 61, then you will have to find the square root of 61 using division method, and then multiply it by 300 and then get the answer. Next, a 12 centimeter rod is held between a flashlight and a wall as shown. This is a flashlight, this is the wall, this is this rod. Okay, find the length of the shadow on the wall. If the rod is 45 centimeters from the wall, this distance is 45, and 15 centimeters from the. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Baba, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.